In this video, we're going to customize the Wavebox toolbar. First, open Settings and click on the Customize Toolbar button. This opens the toolbar panel on the right-hand side of the main window. In the panel, browse the feature list to find your favorites, and click the toggle on to add them to the toolbar. When you're done, click on the X to close the panel. You'll now see all your chosen icons along the top of the window, ready for you to use. So simply click on an icon to use that feature, such as starting a screen share from the Connect panel, creating a new smart note for the tab you are using, chatting to Brainbox to get generative AI help for the task at hand, checking what's new in the mini menu notification pop-up, or launching Navigator to find a tab or check on performance. Making changes to the toolbar is easy. To rearrange your icons, just drag them left or right. To remove an icon, just right-click on it and select Unpin. The icon will instantly disappear. You can also access the toolbar panel through this right-click menu to make changes at any time. As well as your favorite Wavebox features, you'll also find other browser essentials in the list, such as downloads. Simply switch the toggle on to add it to the toolbar. That's all for this video. Head over to wavebox.io to try it out. Thanks for watching.